Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset an LIFX smart Wi-Fi light bulb. So this will factory reset your LIFX smart bulb if you have changed Wi-Fi networks, or maybe you've moved into a new home and you need to get this set up, or maybe you gifted it to somebody and you can't get the light bulb to connect to your phone. This is a very common problem if you've had your LIFX light bulb previously connected. In order to factory reset your LIFX smart light bulb, what you're going to need to do is turn it on and off 5 times until it starts blinking. So you can turn it on and off at the light switch, or if you've got a plugged lamp like we have here, we're going to unplug it and plug it back in 5 times until it starts blinking. And then we're going to be able to set it back up and it will be cleared of any settings that it had on there previously. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to unplug it and plug it back in 5 times until it starts blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and plug it back in. Now you can see that it is blinking and it went through the reset process where it flickered on and off. Now let's see if we could get it set back up on our phone. So here I'm just in the LIFX app and I'm just going to press the plus symbol and we're going to go ahead and click new device. Now I'm going to click on new light. Now we're just going to click through this and let's see if our device pops up. It does. This LIFX light bulb right here, which we're going to connect to. So this light bulb has been reset to factory default settings. And when you see it turn on and then it will turn off and go through a dimming level sequence, that's how you know that you have factory reset your LIFX smart Wi-Fi bulb. So thank you for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.